Okay.
Hey Seraphim,
Hi.
nice to see you. A
Nice
little
to meet
bird
you.
told me that I should come and see the new NYX, so
Yes.
that's what we're here for, right?
Yeah, right. This is the Rixio version 1 of NYX. So you have as the version 1, have the two oscillators and a double filter, dual filter, and then you have the two modulators plus a VCA modulator and the reverb. So what is new is we have improved quite the reverb is based on this plus algorithm as version 1. You have longer decay times today.
Even longer, because it was pretty long to begin with, right?
Yeah, it can go quite low. So you have full wet. You get this sort of cavernous reverbs, and then the time, the more you turn the time up, it gets brighter the sound. So it's like a filter there, or you can have it like that, and you have this sort of subby reverb sounds.
Nice.
What else is new? So we have added a noise source here and two external inputs. Input 2 goes to filter 1, input 1 goes to filter 2. So if I send the noise to the second filter, you can add these textures. Apart from that, we have more extended now, like decay times compared to version 1.
I seem to remember when I reviewed it, they didn't go slow or fast enough. I seem to remember, so there's better range.
Yeah, they're going quite fast now, and so this is the filter envelope, the modulator.
And they both loop, don't they? Because they're function
Yeah,
generators.
you can have it as an LFO. Or actually I'm using now modulator 2, which is modulating the filter 2 as an LFO, or you can have a hold. So instead of attack decay, you use like attack release. Yeah, the vibrato that was also on version 1, and the split modes as before.
So what? I noticed it's like USB powered, this one. So
Yes.
now, so is that sort of ultimately the main? So nothing's changed so much in terms of the basic oscillators or filters. You've kept the character the same.
Yeah, you've got the same. Yeah, it's the same oscillator, same filters, VCA. It's just USB powered and a more portable case, the same as the other Rixio models,
Right.
Cadis and Airbus. Yeah.
So you weren't tempted to go stereo on the reverb, because that was one thing that was.
Not really. No, we just kept it simple. Yeah, have it like mono as the first one. Quite works too, actually.
Can you modulate any of those reverb parameters? I can't remember.
You don't. No, you don't. You cannot modulate the reverb, but you have some patch points there that you can modulate. For example, you have a modulator 2 output, modulating, for example, the pulse width. Yeah, just the classic like VCA, post filter and cutoff filter modulations. And you have a VCO2 output for FM with attenuator. So yeah, you can adjust the FM.
So were these out of production and now they're back in production? Is that the play, or were they still all?
So they're out now as a DIY kit. And in a couple of months later on, we're gonna release also the assembled version, same as the Airbus. Yeah, so you can buy now the kit.
Is this the only version of NYX you currently make now? Because
Yes,
okay,
yeah. Version 1, version 2 has been discontinued long time now, so we came up with the Rixio version 1 for now.
Brilliant.
Yep.
Do you know, has the price changed, or is it going to be similar? Do you know what the price is going to be?
I'm not sure about the price. It's going to be cheaper as a kit for sure, and yeah, but I can't tell you about the price. You can find it online for sure. It's going to be announced today probably.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having us.